It's amazing how glass in our older cars always remains smeary. Though when you think about it, how many oily gases are floating around our roads? So it makes sense that the glass in our cars is going to retain some of those carbon deposits. Removing the smears can be exasperating, especially with the steeply raked back window of the XK8. This video will show you how to effectively remove the grime with the Reach and Clean tool. My name's Bruce and I'm the proud owner of a silver 1999 XK8. And this channel is organised to share the knowledge that I've gained while owning Sylvester. To help me make more videos, please like and subscribe, and don't forget to press the bell to be notified when I publish more videos. There are two necessary items to remove the grime and not just move the smears from place to place. The first item you'll need is a professional glass cleaning spray. I use a product available in Australia called GHS Professional, and I've got to say that's just nothing short of amazing. But the quality of your spray is essential, otherwise you can rub all day and just transfer the smears. Stone Invisible Glass Cleaner is the choice for USA and UK. There's a link in the description below. The second item you need, especially for that steeply raked rear screen in the XK8, is a cleaning tool. Make sure you get one with a triangle shape and it's supplied with more than one microfiber cover. I use the Reach and Clean tool. The spray and the tool are also available as a pack. The secret to the triangle shape is it gets right into the corners without touching the fabrics under the rear screen or the dash of the front screen. As you would guess, the major requirement in cleaning glass is to be able to get pressure on the rubbing action. And because of the angle of the Reach and Clean tool's handle, you'll be both able to reach the creases but still retain that pressure that's necessary to remove the grime. Clean the rear screen first. It'll involve some contortions to move around the back seat, so it's best to get that over with as soon as possible. Spray the cleaner on the first microfiber cloth and clean all areas, moving the triangle edges into the corners. Replace the cloth with a clean one and polish off the remaining wet cleaner. Even though the spray will dry without streaks, don't leave it on the glass for any longer than necessary. Now put the first wet cloth back on, but inside out, to clean the front screen and follow the same process. As I always say, none of this is rocket science. It just needs you to follow the simple procedures and be careful. I hope this quick video has entertained you and that you've learned a bit about the beautiful XK8. Please like and subscribe, and don't forget to press the bell to be notified when I publish more videos.